How does your law firm help negotiate medical bills? Attorney Christine Franco says, things can become very difficult, which is why we try to find out at the very beginning what the insurance amount is and if the client has health insurance, so we can let the client know they need to be careful because there is only a certain amount of insurance. It does become very complicated, and I have had cases where the people knew there was hundreds of thousands of dollars in medical bills because of a very serious crash, but there was only $10,000 in the policy, or $50,000, or maybe even $100,000, which would obviously not be able to cover the medical bills. If the client had health insurance, we will make sure all the providers are aware of that health insurance from the very beginning. There is a certain time period during which the healthcare providers would have to file with the insurance company, because if they do not do that, then the health insurance would not have to pay it either. We try to get the bills paid as we go along, and we try not to have them outstanding any more than we have to, although it may still end up that the medical bills are more than the actual settlement. I recently had a case where this happened. We called the individual providers and tried to negotiate with them and explain to them that there were very low limits and there was only a certain amount available there. We tried to get everybody compensated for the services they provided, and for the most part, the providers were very receptive to that. They understand that this is what it is, and they can continue to bill, but they would not be able to get any money from it, which is why they often try to negotiate with us. The last resort would be to do a motion for equitable distribution. For a free phone consultation, call attorney Christine Franco in Tampa, Florida at 813-873-0180 or visit her website at www.franco-law.com.